My name is Dr. Devesh Ramnath, and I'm a board-certified orthopedic spine surgeon at Southwest Scoliosis and Spine Institute. We're a nationally recognized facility, and my particular specialty is in mainly adult degenerative conditions. I see people with problems from the neck all the way down to their lower back. A variety of conditions that I treat include degenerative disc disease, cervical and lumbar herniated discs, spondylolisthesis and stenosis. Also take care of spinal tumors and spine trauma. The reason I went into spine surgery is I find this to be one of the most challenging specialties in medicine, and I like problem solving. My philosophy on treating patients is based on treating anyone like they're one of my family members. That means going through what the expectations that they have, looking at all aspects of their condition, and then coming up with a plan together for how to treat it. The majority of the time I start off with conservative treatment, and at what point in time that fails, then we start discussing any potential surgical interventions. So as spine technology has evolved, it's given us the opportunity to do procedures that traditionally were done as big open procedures, and actually being able to do that same procedure through a minimally invasive technique. And I found that patients respond well and recover quicker. It is really gratifying when I can see a patient, identify what their problems are, come together with a plan and execute that plan, which results in the patient having relief of their pain. Feel free to call us and we will evaluate you, and we will come up with a plan that is tailored to your particular needs and your problem.